Are you obsessed with avocados? You're not alone. This creamy green fruit has taken the world by storm, gracing our breakfast plates, smoothie bowls, and even our beauty routines. Avocados are more than just a tasty treat. They're a powerhouse of nutrients loaded with healthy fats and antioxidants that do wonders for our bodies, inside and out. But the magic of avocados doesn't stop there. Today, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of avocados, exploring 5 delightful recipes that will tantalize your taste buds and nourish your body. We'll whisk you away on a culinary journey from the humble avocado toast with a twist to a decadent avocado chocolate mousse, a refreshing smoothie, and even some DIY beauty treatments. So, buckle up as we embark on this avocado adventure. Get ready to revolutionize your meals and beauty routine with these 5 irresistible avocado recipes. First up, avocado toast with a twist. Let's elevate your breakfast game with this simple yet tasty recipe. It's not your everyday avocado toast, we're adding a fun twist to it. Now, what's the secret, you ask? Well, it's all about layering flavors and textures to create a gastronomic delight. To start, you'll need a ripe avocado. Cut it in half, remove the pit, and scoop out the creamy flesh. Mash it up until it's smooth, but with a few chunky bits for texture. Season it lightly with a pinch of salt and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. This citrusy touch will enhance the avocado's natural flavors and keep it from browning. Now let's talk about the toast. Choose a hearty whole grain bread that can hold up to our toppings. Toast it to your liking. Once it's ready, slather on the mashed avocado. Spread it evenly, ensuring that every bite will have a taste of this green goodness. Next, let's add some cherry tomatoes. These tiny juicy orbs not only add a pop of color but also a burst of fresh, tangy sweetness. Cut them in half and scatter them over the avocado. Now for our twist. Crumble some feta cheese over the top. Its salty, tangy flavor contrasts beautifully with the creamy avocado and sweet tomatoes. It also adds a bit of creaminess and a nice bite. Finally, drizzle a bit of balsamic glaze over the top. Its sweet and tangy notes will tie all the flavors together, creating a symphony in your mouth. And there you have it, avocado toast with a twist. This simple yet satisfying breakfast or snack option is sure to be a hit. It's packed with nutrients from the avocado, whole grain bread, and cherry tomatoes. Plus, the feta cheese adds a dose of protein. So not only is it delicious, but it's also good for you. Indulge in this plate of delight and let your taste buds revel in the explosion of flavors. Go ahead, give it a try, and who knows, this might just become your new breakfast staple. Next, satisfy your sweet tooth with an avocado chocolate mousse. This dessert is a game changer. Not only is it a healthier alternative to traditional chocolate mousse, but it's also incredibly delicious and easy to make. Let's dive in. You'll need some ripe avocados. Yes, you heard that right. Avocados. These green gems are the secret ingredient that lends our dessert its creamy texture. And they're packed with heart-healthy fats, so you can indulge guilt-free. Next, grab some high-quality cocoa powder. The beauty of this recipe is that you're in control. You can adjust the amount of cocoa to suit your chocolate preference. If you like it dark and rich, go for it. If you prefer a lighter, less intense chocolate flavor, that's fine too. Now to sweeten things up, we're using pure maple syrup. It adds a subtle, earthy sweetness that perfectly complements the chocolate and avocado. But if maple syrup isn't your thing, you can substitute it with honey or any sweetener of your choice. Last but not least, a splash of vanilla extract. It's like the magic wand of baking, transforming and elevating all the other flavors. Now let's get blending. Add your avocados, cocoa powder, maple syrup, and vanilla extract to a food processor or blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. You're looking for a texture that's rich and velvety, just like traditional chocolate mousse. Once you've achieved the perfect consistency, spoon the mousse into serving dishes and chill in the fridge for at least an hour. This allows the flavors to marry and the mousse to set, resulting in a dessert that's decadent yet surprisingly light. Now the moment of truth. Take a spoonful, savor the smooth creaminess, the rich chocolate flavor, and the subtle hint of avocado. It's a symphony of flavors and textures, each mouthful better than the last. This creamy and decadent dessert is a sweet tooth's dream come true. And the best part? It's made from avocados. Who knew being healthy could taste so good? Feeling thirsty? Try a refreshing avocado smoothie. A delightful blend of nutrient-rich ingredients, This smoothie offers a revitalizing experience that not only quenches your thirst, but also keeps you energized. Let's dive right into it. The star of our smoothie, as you might have guessed, is the avocado. This superfood is a powerhouse of nutrients, packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and an array of vitamins and minerals. Avocados lend a creaminess to the smoothie that's simply unmatched, and their mild flavor allows the other ingredients to shine. Next up is the banana. Bananas are a great source of potassium and vitamin C, and they add a natural sweetness to the smoothie that makes it taste more like a treat than a health drink. If you prefer a less sweet smoothie, feel free to use half a banana or even omit it altogether. Now let's add some greens. Spinach is a versatile leafy green that's rich in iron, calcium, and vitamin K. It might seem unusual to add spinach to a smoothie, but trust me, once it's blended up with the other ingredients, you won't even taste it. It's a sneaky way to get in some extra greens. To give our smoothie a liquid base, we're going to use almond milk. It's low in calories, but high in calcium and vitamin E. If you're not a fan of almond milk, you can substitute it with any other milk of your choice. Finally, for a zesty twist, we're going to add a squeeze of lime. The tartness of the lime cuts through the creaminess of the avocado and banana, giving the smoothie a refreshing edge. To make the smoothie, simply put all the ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. If you like your smoothies a bit thicker, feel free to add some ice cubes before blending. And there you have it, a simple, tasty, and nutritious avocado smoothie. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast, a post-workout snack, or just a healthy pick-me-up during the day, this smoothie is a fantastic choice. This nutrient-packed drink will keep you energized throughout the day. But avocados aren't just for eating. Indulge your skin and hair with homemade avocado masks. The face mask is our first stop. You'll need half a mature avocado, a tablespoon of honey, and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. The mature avocado is packed with healthy fats and vitamins that nourish and hydrate your skin. Honey works as a natural humectant, retaining moisture, while yogurt provides gentle exfoliation with its natural lactic acid. Constructing the mask requires mashing the avocado until it's smooth, then incorporating the honey and yogurt. Apply this concoction to your face, allow it to work for roughly 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. The result is instant. Softer skin with a radiant glow. Now let's shift to the hair mask. This recipe calls for a mature avocado, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and an egg yolk. Once more, the avocado steals the spotlight, delivering essential vitamins and fats. The coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft, offering deep hydration and preventing breakage. The egg yolk, loaded with proteins and vitamins, aids in fortifying your hair. To create mask, crush the avocado, then blend in the coconut oil and egg yolk until you achieve a creamy texture. Apply this mixture to your hair, especially concentrating on the ends where damage is most likely. Allow the mask to soak for about 20 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water and shampooing your hair as you normally would. You'll marvel at the outcome, a surge of gloss and smoothness that even the priciest salon treatments find hard to equal. These homemade avocado masks are a simple, economical, and natural solution to pamper your skin and hair. Additionally, they're a superb method to utilize any overripe avocados you might have. So give them a shot and unearth the incredible beauty advantages of this modest fruit. These masks will rejuvenate your skin and make your hair luxuriously soft. We hope you enjoyed these delicious and nourishing avocado recipes. It's been a delectable journey exploring the versatility of avocados, from a tangy twist on toast to a chocolatey dessert that's as sweet as it is healthy. And let's not forget that revitalizing smoothie, which is sure to kickstart your day with a burst of energy. But the magic of avocados doesn't stop at our plates. With our DIY face and hair masks, you can treat yourself to a spa day right at home, harnessing the nourishing powers of avocados to achieve glowing skin and silky hair. So why not give these recipes a try? Avocados are more than just a trendy fruit. They're a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform your meals and beauty routine. If you enjoyed these avocado recipes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious ideas. See you next time.